Hello, it's Chris here. Thank you so much for learning with me. I see that you're getting the resources for the UI Kit lessons. I just want to make sure that you're aware we have an updated series using the latest version of Xcode and Apple's latest UI framework, SwiftUI. Now, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend that you watch this updated series instead, because SwiftUI is a lot easier for beginners to understand and to get results with. To watch this series, you can find it on our YouTube channel page or in a link below this video, or you can tap on the try for free link in the navigation. That's going to bring you to a page where you can create a free Code with Chris account. And then once you do, you're going to be brought into the dashboard of our learning platform. And here you can access that free SwiftUI beginner course. Now you're going to benefit from using our learning platform where you can track progress, and you can also get access to quizzes and all of the challenges that help you reinforce what you've learned in the lessons. And last but not least, I also want to mention that we do have a community forum where you can get help and guidance on all of the material that you're learning. So once again, thank you so much for learning with me. I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of that. All right, I'll talk to you later.